All right, you may reach to lower your hand, Mr. Empower. Mr. Empower, you have ticket number SP 143-86531. Your first name is Lordzaid.
Correct.
That's Lordzaid. Last name is Empower, Inpower.
That's correct.
All right, Mr. Empower, on this ticket, you have a misdemeanor for improper plates. Today is date and time for a show cause. That simply means you missed an earlier date and you were scheduled to be here to show a reason why you did not appear, but that's kind of moot that you are here present today. So we'll just deal with your case today. You also have U677-92023. You have an offer to engage another for a sexual purpose. So those are your two charges. Both of them are misdemeanors, sir. Counsel?
Right. Yes, and good morning, Your Honor. Gerald Ferry, P44630, on behalf of Mr. Empower. Your Honor, as to the state charge for the improper plate, Mr. Empower has showed valid documentation, and I believe the assistant prosecuting attorney is prepared to move to dismiss. We do not object.
Very well. Sir, counsel has indicated that you have valid plates for your vehicle. You are compliant with the law. As a result of that, this matter is dismissed.
Thank you.
The other charge, counsel?
Your Honor, as to the offering to engage matter, my client is prepared to waive his rights. He's going to be entering a plea of guilty to an amended charge of disorderly conduct. We're asking the court to adopt the recommendation.
Very well. I don't have it in front of me, but I certainly believe it is a pretty standard charge, that the charge would be reduced to disorderly conduct. There would be no reference or suggestion or anything that would state that this has any type of there was any type of sexual charge in there. It would just be, say, disorderly conduct. You would, however, Mr. Empower, have to do a couple of things. One, you would have to take an HIV test. The results of that HIV test, I do not need to know. You just have to take the test and show me that you took the test, and you know the results. You can take that HIV test a number of ways. So you can go to your doctor, you can go to the county health department, you can go to organizations like Planned Parenthood. All of those will give you the test. You will have to have a misdemeanor morality class, and you'll get a certificate of completion from that. I need to see that that is completed. You will have a fine of $225, and see, I don't have it in front of me. It was one other thing that they would do, misdemeanor morality, HIV.
It's just those two things, Your Honor.
Okay.
The fine, and then the morality class.
Okay.
And then
All right. I'm just having a little moment here, Mr. Empower, but those are the two things
I
you'll have to do.
understand. Thank you.
Your fine is going to be $225. The misdemeanor morality class, I can give you a telephone number. I think this is still a good number, is it not, Madam Clerk? This was the EVA, the ethics, vices, and you, and the coordinator was Mr. Darrell Rice. I don't know if he's still there, but the telephone number, sir, is 313. Can you got a pen or something to write?
Yes.
13-864-8205, and you contact them, let them know that you have to take the misdemeanor morality class. So
Okay.
all right, and they'll give you a certificate of completion. You'll come back with a certificate of completion. You'll come back with the proof that you've taken HIV. Again, I don't need to know the results. And how much time do we normally give on that, Madam Clerk?
we normally do 30 days. I mean, if he needs 60, we could do 60, but we normally do 30 days to be able to handle all that.
All right, Mr. Empower, let me ask you, is that enough time for you to do that?
As far as the testing class and the fine has to be paid in that time frame as well?
Yes.
Can I have 60 days?
I can give you 60 days, sir.
I appreciate that.
60 days from today's date will be,
December the 11th.
I'm sorry, what was that, Madam Clerk?
December the 11th.
See, September the 11th, sir. So on
December.
September 11th, sir, you'll come back out to the courtroom. Yes.
December.
I got
Oh,
you.
December. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So you'll come back out on to the courtroom on that date.
Okay.
If you printed out your certificate of completion, you can email it to us the night before.
Okay.
And then we'll have it and we'll know. And if you for the HIV test, sir, you could just email just the cover sheet that says that you took the test. Again, that's all I need to
Okay.
know. And when you come out there on that day, we'll see that the money is paid. We'll get right to you right away. We'll see that the HIV test, everything is complete, and we'll call your case and we'll close it out at that time.
Okay. I do have a question. How long is the probation for?
It's going to be till we close it out when you come back.
Oh, okay. I understand. Okay.
All right. And you got the date, Madam Clerk. Can you chat him our email address so he can send that in to us the day before he comes to court?
Yeah.
I just sent it to him.
Yep. Thank you so much.
All right. So do a screenshot or whatever so you'll have it when the
Yep.
day before, sir.
I did it. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Stay safe, sir. We'll see you on that date.
All right. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, if I may, I have another matter. It's a Michael Moore that's scheduled for trial. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's my understanding the officer has failed to appear. I'm not sure what time you give the officers, but I thought
I give them 1 hour from the time that the matter was scheduled.
Okay.
The matter was scheduled for 9. We do it at 10.
You got 4 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. I understand.
And
That's why I'd let you know.
And the reason we do it exactly on time, counsel, is, we've had those cases where somebody would come in and, well, I got there such and such, such and such. So I make sure that if it's 9 o'clock, I call the case at 10 o'clock, not
Okay.
5 minutes early. So because
Not a problem.
Officer.
Not a problem, Judge. I understand. Thank you.
Attorney Kowinski, you were saying something?
Yeah, I'm just curious, who's the officer?
It's a DPD officer. It's not a state ticket.
Okay, do you guys need me on any state matters for the moment?
I believe that there's a state matter attached to Leonard Myrick's case. I'm trying to find out if Attorney Hill, I'm assuming Attorney Hill is filling in for Coleman Potts.
I am.
Did you get the offer? Sydney said she sent it to Coleman Potts. Did she give it to you?
Let me, yeah, Coleman sent me the offer. And
Okay.
Crystal, is that all the tickets that I know you had a bunch of tickets there? Is that all of them?
Yes, this is all the ones that are on the docket are all the ones I have for him. I can check and see if there's anything else out there outstanding. I mean, see.
If you could this has been a long road for me and Mr. Wyrick. So I want to make sure I got everything taken care of. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Thank you.
Actually, counsel, that's just good lawyering. Don't be sorry. Make sure you cover everything.
As long as I don't end up on YouTube, Judge, that's all I care about.
I think that's all we care about.
Yeah.
Attorney Hill and I have a great understanding of how we do things.
Yeah.
I make your life difficult. I know that. I know, Crystal. You said it for 30 days.
You know what, counsel? If what you do is in the interest of justice, even though it might be contentious or aggravating at the time, we all recognize